Good morning, everybody. It's the end of April, and it's about 10 something, I believe. Getting ready for the gym right now. Gonna put on some of my tennis shoes, and yeah, I want to somewhat look like this at the end of the month. Right here. Yeah. So, 28 days. Yep. Want to look like that. The Rock Hard Challenge. Or whatever. But yeah. Gotta look somewhat like that. Oh, forgot to read this one. Alright, well, anyways. Ooh, like my carpet, huh? My carpet. Alright. Well, that's a little bit of my place. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the way to the gym. Alright, so I'm on my way to the gym. And, yeah, gym bag ready. Here. Very gloomy day, though. But I kind of like it. And as I was going through my music, do you guys remember that song, Serena Paris? Look at us, baby, look at us now. Anyways, that's probably one of the songs I'm going to be listening to, so I'll see you guys later. Alright, I'm at my gym, and I see this. Oh, this is the first trashiest thing I've seen in Woodland Hills. Like, really, here at the gym. Anyways, I almost got attacked by birds. They were coming over there and they flew right past me. I was so scared. I don't know if you could see goosebumps, but I do have it. My heart still hurts. Okay. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys later. Get that AS going. Hey guys, okay, just got back from the gym. Still pretty outside. It's not so gloomy anymore. And you see these bushes right there? Those bushes? That's where I got attacked by birds. Anyways, it's around 1 now. And I have a conference call a little later. Around 3. I'll have on some numbers. Probably gonna get picked on. It's a Levy Kim. Or conference calls. Crazy story. I love how all these cars are looking at me and being like, who the hell? Why is this kid holding his phone so far forward? Alright, almost home. Shower time. Ugh, dirty boy. Bye. Hello, everybody. I'm home and I am starving. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drink. Drink like you can't drink no more. No, but anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my steamers. How many minutes do I have to put in this? This is my lunch, guys. Let's see, cooking time. 6 minutes or 5.5. How do I know what wattage I have in my... I don't know. I'm so confused. Okay, well, whatever. What I'm gonna do is place it. This is the Steam Fresh Chef's Favorites Asian Medley Lightly Seasoned. I know it's servings. Ooh, 3.5. 3.5? I don't know. Whatever. I'm gonna eat all of it. Probably half though. So 6 minutes, right? 6 minutes. Okay. Hey, where did it turn off? Cut time 6 minutes. Start. Alright, well, whatever. Alright, that's gonna be my dinner. Let me Pisces family horoscopes. And yeah. Ooh. When my nephew was born, March 21st, 2 of my nephews. That's two. Alright. So, I'm stressing all over paperwork and everything and numbers and everything. For what? Getting a text message. Look, calculator. iPad ready with work stuff. To what? To find out and get a text message from my boss saying, hello, 20 minutes before we're 20 minutes before the conference call, that, hey, it's canceled. And there goes my phone. Canceled. Huh? I was very prepared, but I'm just happy. My best friend's here, so I get to talk to her, and she's a little stressed monster, so see you guys later. Bye. Hello. Welcome to Starbucks. This is Rich speaking. What can I get for you today? Alright, okay, so let me write this down, or let me go on my computer.
Excuse me.
Yes.
When do you sit down at the job?
Oh, I'm sorry. You saw me in the mirror, or the window. What can I assist you with? What can I get you?
Can I get a double, tall, ristretto, cappuccino, 2 equals, half a Splenda, extra hot, extra foam?
Okay, let me, 1 second, okay? This bitch crazy, y'all. Fucking crazy.
Story of my life.
Was that a coffee? Hi, everybody. You like my outfit? I work for Starbucks, and this is my outfit of the day. And I'm actually not wearing anything underneath it. BAM! Just kidding. Alright, bye.
So that Rich can be beautiful. Does it hurt?
Not bad.
Are you crying?
Always.
No. Shempi would never do that to you.
Alright, so we just finished getting our eyebrows threaded.
Eyebrows.
You want to see it? You see?
So much better.
Mine is
I don't
right
have
here.
caterpillars.
And it might have hair all over, but it looks good.
I do feel like I have hair everywhere.
And it didn't hurt too bad.
Told you, why would it hurt? You've had it threaded before.
I know, but there's some, like I told you, the experience I got. But I love this one. So, it's in this place. I want to show you. Literally, it's a house.
Next to CSUN.
Next to CSUN, like down the street. And the queen.
Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights.
First, we're going to Starbucks.
A different Starbucks.
Not the one where she works at. Look, you can see our reflection. Like Mulan. Oh, sure. Where is that? Oh, you know what I want? A refresher. Pretty. No, but I do want a refresher. Okay. So organized.
Oh yeah, look it.
Calorie count, nice. Beautiful day out. Ooh, look, BFF got me a free drink. Thanks to the hookups to Mr. Starbucks here. Starbucks. Here's a free drink. Whoa. Free drink waiting for her. And we're probably gonna hit this Filipino restaurant over here instead. But she needed to get her coffee. I got Trenta Cool Lime with 2 shots of raspberry. Ooh. And happy hour. Look into the happy hour. May 3 to 12. Alright, go for it. Hi, BFF.
We're eating at.
What? That's just. There's no words.
No name.
But it's a Filipino place. And I am getting, what am I getting? The pancit bihon, which is a blend of rice, stick thin, and did I get that one?
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, it's the one on top, not the Miki.
You got this one.
The rice stick noodles sauteed with celery, cabbage, carrots, and snow peas. Kind of looks like that. With no pork, of course. You guys know me.
He's having problems because he's trying to prep his pancit, but he's losing the seed of the calamansi.
He's going through the pork.
He's getting angry.
No.
Don't put it on the... Just put it on this plate. Oh my god.
Yes.
We ended up eating Filipino food because we went to Vallarta and it was just not happening. Did you find it?
I found one.
He's been doing this for like 3 minutes.
No. You just gotta take your time though.
That's a green onion. I'm just kidding.
I'm not that desperate. No, but there's seeds everywhere.
Oh my god. Oh my
This
god.
has shrimp. And trust me, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing.
Lies.
Lies. Okay, I'm done.
Are you sure? That's what Richard ordered.
And that's what Darlene is getting.
Yours, it's special combination fried rice with scrimps and chicken. Scrimps. And I'm gonna put some hot sauce.
How?
I'm so excited. That's a lot of
I'm
food.
so full. Already looking at it. Alright, BFF, how's your food? Wow, look at the hair.
It's really good.
We're talking about the food or his hairline. Alright, that's rude. Let's continue eating. Alright, we just finished eating and I got a dessert called Buko Pandan that has ice cream. And you might be asking, why is it green? To be honest, I don't know why. I'm gonna eat it.
It's thick, he keeps saying.
It's very thick. I've never had it this thick. Actually, look how thick it is.
It's very mucus. Oh!
Alright, hold on.
Stop, that's gross. Yeah, but it just looks like very mucusy or very other bodily fluidy, like. The one that you like that's usually in your mouth.
I can handle this consistency. Wow.
Yeah, little nasty. Ew. No! Ew!
Alright,
You're rude. Bye!
Hello! Okay, so I'm back. Darlene is actually here, but she left again so she can go to work really quick to talk to her shift lead concerning about what happened today. But I'm here. I'm gonna be working on work stuff. As you can see, my binder's here, my coaching binder. Gotta catch up on a couple of things. So there's really nothing eventful that's gonna happen tonight. Darlene will be here. We won't really be talking since she's actually just gonna stay in my room. I'm gonna be in my dining room having my paperwork all out. And that's pretty much it. That's why it's around 7 something. And I'm gonna just call it a night because there's nothing gonna happen. We're really not gonna talk, and I promise you, you don't wanna see what I'm gonna be doing, which is just work. So anyways, have a good night. See you tomorrow, or see you next week. I'm probably gonna have a vlog twice a week at most. The reason why is I'm off twice a weekend. When I'm working, I'm not gonna have time to do all of this extra stuff. So twice a week, it's basically gonna be a Macy's manager's day off. What you guys will see and what I'll be doing. So yeah, enjoy. And I'm on YouTube, so subscribe.